Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a full Monte, which is from the 404 kitchen in Nashville. This is a riff on a reverse Manhattan. I'll link to the reverse Manhattan up here. If I've done it, I think I have. I probably should have confirmed that before I did the video. Anyways, my battery's on low, so I've got to make this a quick one. Today's cocktail and yesterday's nice simple ones. I had done a few tiki cocktails last week, and I thought I'd keep it simple so there wasn't too many ingredients on the bar so that people at home can recreate them easily, hopefully. So this one calls for Montenegro, or Amaro Montenegro, which is it's got flavors of like dried citrus peel. It does say floral. The floral notes are pretty subtle for me, and cherry as well. It's not really bitter like a lot of other Amaros, but it's got like a lingering dryness from that dried citrus peel. But let's get mixing before my battery goes flat. And this one calls for 60 ml of Amaro Montenegro. So this is 23%, and it's not as viscous as something like Benedictine. It's quite a thin liqueur. And then we've got a Rye Whiskey, 30 ml, 1 ounce. Straight into the mixing glass. If you want to as well, you could mix this straight into the glass. There's no issues there. 1 or 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. No idea why this glass is there. And give it a stir. 20 or 30 seconds. This is yesterday's cocktail. Go check it out up here. Probably don't stir this one too long because it's mainly consisting of the Amaro Montenegro, and it's only 23%, so it's already low ABV, so you don't need to add too much dilution. So it would actually make a lot of sense if you just pour it over ice straight into the glass. Garnish this one with a twist of orange, which is perfectly suited to an Amaro Montenegro cocktail. It's already got citrus in the Amaro itself. And there you have a full Monte. It was a full Monte, wasn't it? Yes. Cheers. Sorry, I've had half a cocktail already. That's a beautiful drink. It showcases the Montenegro, but it doesn't, because you're not drinking it straight, it doesn't have that lingering dryness as much because it's diluted down, but you really get those citrus notes. I wouldn't say floral, but maybe a bit of cherry in there. It works really well. It's kind of bolstered up. You do need that Rye Whiskey in there to give it a bit of a kick, but it is a relatively low ABV cocktail compared to some sort of low ABV, kind of. I really like this. Showcases the Montenegro. If you have it in your back bar, then give it a go and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.